Welcome to the Mad Tea Party, where everything is quite, mad. To ensure your safety, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while your teacup is spinning. And please do watch your children. To spin your teacup, just keep turning the wheel to the right or to the left. The faster you turn it, the faster you go. Where it's off to the tea
I'm
party.
gonna spin it.
Please say hello to the Mad Hatter.
Keep it steady.
Bienvenidos al Mad Tea Party. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la taza. Y por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos. Chao.
Until we go live. It's not time, right?
5:30. And action. I mean, it spins you around anyway, but it's not as much. You don't turn the thing. I'm not gonna spin it. What? Yeah.
Should give me my ears.
Are you happy with your ears?
I love my ears.
Please make sure we have little ones fully seated facing the center of the teacup at all times.
It looks like our tea party is coming to an end. Please remain seated until your teacup stops, and then follow the signs to the nearest exit. Ta-ta! Please visit us again.
Please remain seated with the doors closed.